How was the complaint to be raised? It was to be raised through a letter. That is the letter.
And in that letter, Judge, I'm saying you are giving notice to the JSC that unless you do this, this is what we will do.
Okay, do you want it to be a notice to Parliament? The threat is there so that you may deal with it, you may address it and resolve the crisis.
You are found culpable and found guilty of misconduct and reprimanded.
Yeah. I disagree with that decision completely.
Yes, you may not agree,
no
but I'm saying you may not agree. There are many things we don't agree.
If you know it, then why are you putting it to me? Please, give me a break. Are you passing judgment over my judgment as a court? Or, or what is it you want to do?
No, Judge, you are a 3-star general. I am a 2-star general.
So you know the role of a judge better than I do?
No. Let us get each other right.
Chair, I need protection from this particular commissioner.
Let me stand you off.
Let me finish,
and allow the judge do not answer that question. We need to move to the next.
Let me finish. The Constitution enjoins every judicial officer to be fair and serve justice to all without jurisdiction. Is that a reflection of you?
That is the Sholei matter, which
I didn't say it's the Sholei matter.
That is the Sholei matter which I decided.
Yes.
Commissioner, in a matter where you are involved, I think you should not take so much time on it because you also have personal views about it.
Okay. Can the president sue personally? I'm leading to other questions which will come. During his period as President of the Republic of Kenya, can he sue personally?
I think by the same vein, that's exactly the same situation is arising. If he were to sue personally, if the question arose as to whether he can, it would be a justiciable issue which would end up coming up to the courts. So I would prefer not to also express my view.
And I want you to express your view. Does the deputy president enjoy the same immunity under 143?
Again.
And I want your view. I want you to answer, because if the reason why we are here, we want you to know your views. We are not saying there is anything wrong with expressing.
One might have been involved in an earlier altercation. And I recall in that decision, the judge said, since somehow these two issues are connected, without the fight, I find both of them, the judge found both of them guilty.
I want to say that we were not able, because of those seriousness of the Speaker, to approve the nomination of Justice Warsame.
No person shall be a judge in his own case. That is one of the cardinal rules.
I want to invite my governor. I don't know why I've been told to invite the governor. I'm not the deputy governor. But I know, Honorable CJ, when I retire from the judiciary, I want to be a governor here. Thank you very much. Single pleasure and honor to invite my governor, Mohamed Adan Khalif. Governor Karibu.